At KODA, we are committed to the well-being of our customers and staff. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, we will be introducing some new measures. But rest assured, we will continue to offer the high level of service you have come to expect from us. At the moment, we have to do things a little differently. So we're asking you to book a timed appointment with us, and to help keep everyone safe, only visit us if you and your household are free from COVID-19 symptoms, and if you're not self-isolating due to government guidance. We're offering different ways to care for you in your vehicle, to maintain social distancing when your vehicle needs a service or maintenance. We want to ensure we maintain your vehicle and get you back on the road as soon as possible, and we will be using photographs and videos to minimise face-to-face contact. You'll notice some differences at our KODA retailers to help ensure the safety of our staff and customers. To ensure we keep a minimum of 2 meters apart, parking areas have been marked asking you to park in every other bay, leaving plenty of space for other customers. And we've adapted the layout of our showrooms and service areas. We've enhanced our digital services to keep the after-sales experience contactless wherever possible. We've introduced a 25-point sanitation check for both inside and outside your vehicle, as an addition to our existing cleaning measures. If you've got any questions, with one quick call to your KODA retailer, we'll give you all the information you need. Let's continue the journey together, safely.